There's a centre mark in the bottom of that dividing head there, and that pin goes straight into it, so I know that the dividing head now is in line with the axis of the milling machine, and I've zeroed my DRO. Next thing is to put this in the chuck, centralise it, and then we can go about machining it. We'll have to turn the chuck jaws around, so we'll do that, then we'll come back and get it centralised. Because this weld fitting is actually got a taper on there which does fit into the end of the chuck, we can put that down there like that, put some weight on it, and if we just gently wind each jaw in, bash that thing, wind each bastard thing into the touches like that, then nip them up, it's going to get in the ballpark. I'm just putting the hex on for the spanner, it's not super critical, but I want it to look right. Right, so we've got that nipped. We'll put a clock on here now and see how far away it is. It really does look good, but we'll find out. Right, that's within 10 thou, and we'll find the high point, which is bollocks. Bollocks is it? Find the high point, which is that one. A little nip on that jaw. High point again. Right, certainly near enough for John. High point, that one. Right, settle for that. Right, I've got the table locked off on the 0. I need to touch this cutter off and then go that way for 1.8mm, turn it 60 degrees, 1.8mm, so on and so on until we get finished. So the first thing I'm going to do is touch the cutter off. Do a half mil, see what it feels like a exploratory cut. That's one. I think I'll do it 1.5. No, I'll do what I meant to do. 1.8. Right, stop the machine. We need to turn the table 60 degrees. Loosen the table locks off. 60, lock it up again. It would probably do that in one cut, but what I don't want to do is for that to move, so I'm going to back it off and do it. We'll just carry on doing that until we've got the hex machine on it. It does take a bit of time. If having one-off's not too bad. If you had a lot of them to do, it wouldn't be viable to do it this way. So it's 60, so it's 120. Next one will be 240. There is a vernier adjustment on this. If you wanted to get absolutely super critical, look for a spanner hex. This is all we need. Right, so it's back into the lathe using that same pipe fitting. There's a little mandrel. Just going to knock the corners off this. Right, now we need to make that curved shape in there. Not quite sure how I'm going to do it, possibly by hand with a scraper, I'm not quite sure. We'll give it a go and see what happens. Just having the sort of desired effect. It's a nice gradual taper. And kind of round and over a bit. This is what joiners do, machinistic machine would do with a chisel. This is a really sharp bearing shaper. It's kind of having the desired effect. I need to take it out really and try the hand on to make sure we've got enough clearance. I'll take it off, we'll give it a try. Right, so that goes in there like that. That's absolutely ideal. Yeah, happy with that. Very happy indeed. Right, the moment of truth. That's the valve open. That's in its working position. I want to go straight through. So if I close the valve, that's if you want to change your gauge glass or you wanted to blow it down. There's 200 psi, 300. It's got a little bit of a drip, that's nothing. That's acceptable. There's 400. Like I say, it has got a slight drip. Once it gets hot and it gets adjusted, probably some more packing in, that'll be fine, that'll seal up. Really, really satisfying to make that nut, clean the threads up, because basically it was scrap. And now we'll live again. You can buy new ones, but this is the one off the engine, the original one. Just had a repair on the handle there. Possibly had a new centre core made and the handle brazed on. It's holding pressure up. Like I say, it's got a very, very slight drip on it. I'm not worried about that. Right, once again, just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I know we're on now over the magic 100,000. The next one, I suppose, is 1 million. Anyway, thanks for watching.